If you want, we can try and find...
Look at that bit of face.
That's the littler one, so it's further away. I wonder if that's the one. No, it's purple, isn't it? I think it's going to be here, but we haven't got enough yet. No, it's going to be over here, darling. Let's try find more of this hay, and then that will... Can you put it there so that we wait for it? Yes. Wait for it. A bit of hay. What about that? Is that the hay? Hay thing? No,
it's
that's
a bit
not
of
that.
mouth with the hay.
Is it?
Yeah.
You're right. A bit of mouth of horse with the hay.
I think oh, here it is.
Well done.
So now where does that go?
No, where does that go? I quite agree. That could be up there.
Yeah.
Yes, and we have.
It could be up there.
It could be there, Maggie.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. With a mouse there. No, higher up. Yes, it could be there. Well done.